another Hello toy to we go open up. Welcome everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am opening another Hello toy. This is Hello Infinite Jackal. If you have watched the other show, if I open up Mischief, comes with a stand, a code, his gun, and for a jackal, if you can read, this is jackal is. If you cannot read, that's a jackal is. The jackal. Jackal is one. Covenant bag aliens from Halo. And this jackal for the banish got a sniper, got his stand, and he got his Halo Infinity codes for the game. So if you go minutes, we'll open right up. The code is different. And I seen the code. Anyway, here's is the code. And the same one like my other one. After I finish opening the jackal, and I go to my mom. The code is different, so it could be a different thing. This is a new sniper. Forgot what it's called. It's the jackal. Okay, the legs. Weapon package. Where's this thing? Where's this go? On his back? Where's this thing go somewhere? That way I have this thing. It goes somewhere neat. Come on, stand.
Did you get the gun on?
No. No. Yeah, see, all these three characters from Halo Infinite from the actual game. Now I'll go make them guys fighting. Okay. The grunt here will be watching. Mischief here will be fighting too. There you go. Now they're all fighting. And grunt here is watching. Right, the secret is to pinch the hand to pawn this hand. Now they're fighting. Jackal versus Mischief. Who's going to win? Mischief or the Jackal? By a warning, this will be short because we're gonna have, yeah. Sorry.
Does his armor come off at all?
No, the armor will not come off. Bye. Like. Wait. No. Thanks for watching. Bye. Subscribe. See you at night. At night. So, have a nice night. Bye.